NATURALLY here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. You guys, today's video is going to be the things that I've changed doing to my hair since I've been natural for so long. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I have changed with my hair since I've been natural is actually washing it. I know that's probably going to be like, girl, what? Yes, I don't even want to say this out my mouth, but I would not wash my hair. And I know when people say wash their hair, they're talking about like, oh, I would still wet it every week, but I wouldn't use shampoo. Like, no, I would not wet my hair, use shampoo. My hair would not see the light of water for at least 2 months. At least 2 months. And that's being very, that's not even me like pushing it. Like, that was the minimum. I would not wash my hair for nearly 2 months. And the reason why is, well, for one, if your hair is straightened, you want to try to stretch your hair as long as possible before you wet it, because you will revert your hair. But then the second reason, after I started doing my own hair and I started braiding my hair, I didn't want my braids to be frizzy, or to revert. So I did not wash my hair for 2 months, like for sure a month and 2 weeks. But if I could push it that extra 2 weeks before my face started breaking out, I would most definitely push my wash day for 2 months, and then I'll wash my hair. And then after that, I would wash my hair about every 3 weeks or even once a month after I had reverted my hair. But you guys, one big thing that I have changed is washing my hair every week. I wash my hair every single week. If I don't use a co-wash, I'm using a shampoo that I made. But I am washing my hair every single week. After I've had my son, I noticed that my hair do not like to be dirty for longer than a week. I noticed that my hair don't like to be in the same style, which is leading me to the next thing. This is just recent, but I am no longer doing long-term protective styles. My hair, since I've had my son, it just don't like it anymore. Not thinking that my mini braids have a problem with my hair. It's just that my body's been going through a lot these last couple of times that I've put in long protective styles. So the first time I took my mini braids, my micro mini braids out, my son was 5 months. So I was 5 months post, and I had experienced all of my edges come out because of postpartum shedding, and all of my edges have grown back in. And then the second time I did a long-term protective style, which was mini twist, I had verbally told you guys that I don't think my edges is strong enough to actually do mini twist. And I think I'm a little blurry, but I said I don't think that my hair is strong enough to actually do mini twist. But I was sick of doing my hair, and I actually put my mini twist in my hair probably 6 or 8 weeks after I took out my mini braids. So it was a good amount of time before I actually did mini twist, and my edges was just growing back in. But I knew my hair was still not strong enough on the edges to actually do mini twist. And mini twist my hair already don't like because of the tangling situation. But after I had took out my mini twist, I noticed that I had a setback at the temples of my hair from doing mini twist. So I was just like, I already knew that I didn't like mini twist, but I just wanted to try something real fast, simple, and it was cute while it lasted. But I noticed that my hair didn't like that. And then the third time, I had my sister-in-law part my hair, so there was like really clean parts. But I had put big mini braids in my hair, and I really thought that I was going to be able to leave those in my hair for 8 months. But COVID said, no, no, no. you're not leaving these braids in your hair for 8 months, because I had experienced a telogen effluvium, or whatever I called it, TE. If you haven't watched that video, then I'll leave it down below. But if you want to know what TE is, and all 45% of the bulk of my hair has came out. So now I'm left with more, like my hair is still long, but it's just thinner. So as of right now, I'm not doing no long-term protective styles. I'm doing low manipulative wash and goes. That's what I've been doing with my hair every week since I've been washing my hair every single week. I just change up my low manipulated wash and go hairstyle. So long story short, that's why I am no longer doing long-term protective styles in my hair, at least for this first year, to monitor my post-COVID hair shedding / TE. So the next thing, which is leading me into what I started doing now that my hair is longer and now that I've been on my hair journey. I started my hair journey in 2010 and it's 2022 now. So since I've been on my hair journey this whole time, I actually started doing low manipulative styles instead of doing long-term protective styles, which I just explained all of that. But that is the next thing that I actually started doing, is low manipulated styles. And styling my hair in the shower is another thing that I started doing, is styling, putting all of my hair products on my hair in the shower. With low porosity hair and the amount of hair that I have, it is just so much easier sometimes, 100% of the time, not even sometimes. It is so easy to put every single thing that I need in my hair in the shower. And on top of that, is easier because sometimes if I need to have the water running on my hair, I can just wet my hair really quick and then add more product in the shower, and then I can just wash off my whole body. I can wrap my hair up, style my hair, wrap it up wet with my sleeping head rag on, and then wash my body off, and then just let my hair set overnight, and then take my hair rag off in the morning. And if my hair is in a bun, my bun might be still wet underneath and in the inside, most definitely, but the part of my hair right here, or whatever I was trying to lay my hair down, my hair is completely dry and it's in its style. Like, I don't have to do anything else to my hair until 6 days later when it's time for me to wash my hair. So low manipulative styles, doing your hair in the shower, has been the best thing ever for me. Another thing that I had started doing was pre-pooing. I was the girl that was like, no, who has time to pre-poo? I had an apartment, and then before that, I was going to the gym to actually stand in the shower for like 10 minutes to get my low porosity, thick hair at that time wet. And because I live in a fifth wheel and the water pressure is low, and that freaking hot water tank is this big, that big, I'm only getting about 5 minutes of hot water, and I don't have 5 minutes of hot water to stand there and try to get all of my hair wet. So literally, pre-pooing has been the best thing ever, because my hair is already kind of pre-wet, and I get to detangle it out of the shower, and it saves water. And it also saves me from having to take a cold shower or finish washing my hair in cold water, which doesn't do anything for low porosity hair because it just shocks the cuticles closed. So actually doing a pre-poo and getting my hair oiled up, conditioned up, detangled, sectioned, and everything that I need to do. So then by the time I just jump in the shower, even sometimes when I'm out of the shower, I will put my shampoo on my hair, get my scalp all lathered up and clean. And then when I get in the shower, all I'm doing is rinsing off all of that conditioner, all of that shampoo off of my scalp, and then I can just go in with all of my styling products. It has worked out so much better. And actually doing a pre-poo and washing my hair that way, I've also noticed that I'm getting my scalp so much more cleaner because I'm not in the bathroom trying to rush or just raking through my hair really fast, and you can actually focus on where you're putting the shampoo at. You do use a little bit more shampoo and conditioner doing it this way, especially if your hair isn't drenching wet. Like if you kind of spray your hair with a spray bottle, like it's not super wet, so you will suck up a little bit more product. But if you are a first-time mom or a mom period, this is a great way to wash your hair. This is one reason why I started doing this, was because first reason is because I couldn't go to the gym and stand in the gym shower for that long. Because of the pandemic, they closed all the showers and stuff down. But the second reason is because I'm a mom now, and I don't have an hour and 35 minutes or to 2 hours to try to wash my hair in the shower. Like, I need to get my hair done within an hour and be done with it. So that's another reason why I actually started to pre-poo and apply my shampoo outside the shower, so that I can have a lot, like my time is cut down significantly when I get into the bathroom. So if you guys haven't tried that, you should literally give it a try. I promise you, it's a lifesaver. So the next thing that I have changed is switching up products. I used to be a product junkie, and if something new came out, I used to go to the shelves, grab it, buy it. If something went on clearance, I used to grab it, buy it. But now I pretty much I give myself room to try a new product once a month if I choose to. And then if I don't choose to, then I just use the same products that I have which is mane and tail. And now it's all of my DIY products, which is my leave-in conditioner, my shampoo bars, my conditioner bars, my own gel. So I use all of my own products now that my hair has gotten longer, and also that my hair has thinned from COVID. I use my own oils that I make. I use a lot more Ayurvedic type of deep conditioning treatments, deep conditioning masks. I use clay masks and a lot of DIY products that I make to actually style, clean, seal my hair. Is all made by me. I do not mess with a lot of store-bought products anymore. But like I said, if I choose to go and try something different, I'm only giving myself room to go and choose one new thing, just to, everybody had an itch, so that's what I do. I give myself room to go and buy something once, but then if I know, like, hey, if I haven't used all of this up, I need to use up what's in my cabinet before I go out and buy something else. So that's just a rule for me, so that I don't become a super product junkie. And also the size of my bathroom don't allow me to do that anyways. So the very last thing that I have absolutely stopped doing to my hair, that I know that my hair just don't like, but because I was just trying to be somebody else and live in somebody else's shoes, what you should never do is wash and goes. So wash and goes, literally, when the natural hair community came out, that's all that you seen was wash and goes, wash and goes, wash and goes, wash. That's like the goal. That if you can do a tight wash and go, then you got that curl. Like, you that girl if you can get that curl. But now knowing that, for one, I'm not that girl, period, because I don't like my hair in my face. I don't like my hair down. I don't like my hair straight. So it's like, I don't like my hair down and out and all over my face. Like, I'm just not this girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not the girl. I'm not that girl. So I literally just came to the conclusion, probably, maybe, I don't even know how long ago. Like, I knew that I wasn't that girl probably 4 years ago. It was just like I'm seriously not going to try to intentionally find a gel to put my hair in a wash and go, because I'm not that girl. And then the second thing is, my hair don't want me to be that girl. It gets fairy knots, it gets single strand knots, it gets split ends when my hair is down, when my hair is touching my clothes like that. And when it like draws up on itself, like my hair absolutely hates that crap. So I'm just like, my hair is not that girl. It's completely fine with me. You know, I've accepted her for who she is. Take it or leave it. That's what my hair said. And I said, well, I take what you got me. I take what you're giving because that's what I got, you know, and just work with what you have. Once you accept that, I mean, the rest is to the birds. Honestly, like, you're going to be like, okay, yeah, it's cute on you. But I mean, I'll find something else that I can do that my hair likes for me to have hair on my head. So yeah, you guys, those are the things that I have absolutely stopped doing to my hair since my hair has gotten longer and I've gotten more mature in my natural hair journey, my natural hair growth, and also in life. That's what I have stopped doing to my hair or started doing to my hair. So yeah, you guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys have started and stopped doing to your hair since you've been in your natural hair journey. Please leave those comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.